Hi, this is Kevin with KGM Jam, owner of Pro Advertisers Club. Totally free site to advertise. Go to ProAdvertisersClub.com and join for free today and start advertising for free. Okay, today was the water quest. I got up in a silver one and I'm going to go ahead and let's claim the rewards for the day. We'll take a look at some of the numbers and I'll show you what I rented today. I'm still trying to figure out this renting strategy and what the best, because you can rent it for up to so many days, but of course they can cancel it. So can you really depend on that strategy? And then if it does work out, it works out. But oh, nice, a rare card. Ooh, two rare cards, awesome. Three rare cards, nice. Okay, good rewards today. So let's go look at the numbers real quick. Uh, It's the 19th of May, $10,000 challenge, not sponsored by Splinterlands, something I'm doing on my own. Here's my rules. Not financial advice. Listen to me at your own risk. This is for entertainment purposes only. Please like and subscribe and join any of the links below. I believe it's day 136, maybe 137. I might have to fix that. I will put $10 in for tomorrow after the video so I get the free extra SPS. That will give me 3 days with that power number, but every other day I'm putting in $10. So as of right now, I got $804 invested. Here's the numbers. You can pause it if you need to check out any of the earlier numbers. But as of today, $875 asset value, 153,4,930 in the box, 130,165 power. Every day has been a new record since I implemented the new system of not opening up packs and buying directly from the market. So it's paying off because you literally could get 50 points out of a pack, even with the rare. 82 free SPS and a total profit today if I sold it before taxes, $156. So not bad for as bad as things are. So let's go to my cards. And playable. Let's go to rent it to me. So here's what I rented today. Okay. It was the water quest. I went with this guy to test him out, and I was not impressed. I did not do well with them, even in the larger mana battles. For some reason, all my victories, I lost like five, all five that I used them in, I lost. So I don't know if it was just the draw or what it was, but I got by a lot better with him, even though look at all the stuff it gives you, type thing, and actually one better. So really only that does is that. So this should have done, it's just higher mana. So you really can't use them in too many battles, but I tried it anyway. This is a great tank. I love this guy. Then I use this guy in the reach position. And then I put him anywhere past that. I use him in low mana because he can heal himself. And then I've got, let's go look at what I own. And remember, I've been buying the maxed out commons and rares. So I've already got him maxed out. So I don't have to rent him ever. He's maxed out. He fell under $10, believe it or not. He's a rare, I believe, and I got him for $10. I got him maxed out in the gold, so our 6th level. Okay, so I don't have to rent him out probably until I get up in the diamond. And that's all. So yeah, so there's 3 cards that I now own that I could use in today's battles. And let's go take a look at what the market's like today for maxed out cards. Gold's good, maxed out cards are good. It's not that it just depends on what your strategy is. But I don't know how you can pass up on these cheap maxed out cards right now, even though they're mostly rewards. Let me see if I can get this to come down a little bit. No, okay. But anyway, so Look at that, 485. And this is a good card. I use him all the time. He's got that, where his hit points just get higher and higher. This is a good one. This is a very good one. Here's another good one. I might pick up 2 today. Good tank at especially the higher levels. Very good, powerful one. Hills, the front line. Of course, a good one. Let's see if there's any here I don't own. Oh, I thought maybe he fell. This is an epic, guys, and it's a 1278. That would be a good one to grab maxed out. I use him all the time. Okay, so I own all these maxed out. So I can pick whichever one I want. I might not have him maxed out or him. I might get both of those. Okay, well, anyway, but that's the strategy. You just come over here and you put in max level, and they're dropping in and out all the time. Look at that, $23 for that maxed out. That's incredible. So going to where am I at here? Let's go to the shop. And I messed up on the here's where you can see. Remember yesterday I said actually I wanted to go. Let's go to here. And we'll take a look. You claim the vouchers now with the SPS on the staking, and I couldn't understand why it was 57, because it was at 60%, 57 now, but it's because they combine these two for the staking, and that's where it that number comes from. And then remember I said you couldn't see it here. Well, I forgot. You always go to the shop, and that's where you see it down here, right here. So I own 2.8. I actually own 3.823. I sent one to Hive, and I'm trying to figure out how to sell it because I got a feeling the price is going to go a lot higher in the next 4 or 5 days. And the vouchers will always help with a discount for future, what do they call it, validators or nodes or whatever they're going to buy. I'm totally out of that game. It's totally beyond my financial situation, but I might be able to get, maybe I can squeeze a gold summoning card out of this, type thing. We'll see. So, it was Eric M. Kevin, the APR changed because it is including the value of the vouchers. The vouchers were always given for staking rewards since they have been implemented. You can see them on the bottom of the shop page. Thank you, Eric, for pointing that out. Appreciate it. And thanks for watching my videos. So I'm going to call it a day with that. And see you tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and join any of the links